The Ultra Automatic Control Valve. The Ultra Automatic Control Valve is one of the most robust of its kind, which can be deployed in various applications by simply changing the pilot arrangement mounted on top of the valve. Stainless steel internals and best-in-class cavitation resistance guarantee a long service life. The Ultra ACV is available with pressure ratings of up to 40 bar and has proven reliability in the water, mining, and irrigation industries. State-of-the-art local manufacturing is underway, which makes the Ultra Automatic Control Valve truly South African.